What makes me most proud in my role as a faculty member or even in occupational therapy is the impact that I have had on students. I had finished my first degree in teaching at a local university where I originally lived, and I was looking to go to occupational therapy schools, and UWM was a highly ranked occupational therapy school. Later on, after I had practiced for about 11 years, I went back to UWM and taught courses there. When that time was over and I moved here to Texas Woman's, I had a great foundation to transition into a more full-time faculty role here, where I work directly with students. One of my community partners is HopeKids of North Texas. And part of my relationship with them is creating experiences for students so that they can see how having a child with medical needs can impact the family's ability to engage in activities in the community. The thing I miss the most about UWM are the people. And I know that it would be unusual to hear this, but I also very much miss winter on the lakefront. To the people that contributed to the nomination and helped me receive this award, I am very thankful. It makes me very proud to pass on that legacy and see students following the footsteps of my leaders and then me, and then continuing to pass on to the next generation of OTs to keep our profession vibrant and proud and on the map. If a student comes in my office and they happen to look, they will see my lab coat. I keep that as a reminder to show my students when they come in with issues they might not think I get or might not understand their story. So I keep that as a reminder always in my view so I can always refer to it. That's my Panther pride.